In this video, you will learn how to cancel Spectrum Internet, review your account, check your Spectrum account details, contract terms and outstanding balance before you start the cancellation, gather your account information, prepare your account number, billing address and any personal details you need for verification. Call the Spectrum customer service. Contact Spectrum by phone. This is their primary method for cancellations. You can also request a cancellation off the internet or online using their chat services. State your cancellation request. Tell the representative clearly you want to cancel your internet service. They may offer to try a resolution, deals, or any better deals, but you can still decline. Rearrange equipment. If a Spectrum provides you equipment, like a router or modem, ask for return instructions. You will usually need to return items to the Spectrum store or an authorized location. Get confirmation. Ask for confirmation of your cancellation. This will include the effective date, any final charges, and keep it for your records. Now you know how to cancel your Spectrum Internet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.